Alright, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you the best way on how you can connect PS4 to laptop with an HDMI cable. So it's very easy. First up, you need to know that a PS4 cannot directly connect to your laptop with an HDMI cable. You need a capture card. So for that, turn off your PS4 and laptop completely and then plug one end of the HDMI into the HDMI port of your PS4, and then you gotta plug the other end of your HDMI into HDMI input of your capture card. Alright, after that you need to connect the capture card to your laptop using USB cable, and then you gotta turn on your laptop and install OBS. It's free, it's a recording software. So then you just gotta open OBS Studio and click on the plus icon under sources, and then you gotta select video capture device and then press OK. After that, you just need to choose your capture card, and then from the device list just press OK, and now turn your PS4, and then your PS4 screen will appear on laptop through OBS. So yeah, this is pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.